how to log in to Call of Duty account. So if you want to log into your Call of Duty account, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and you need to search for callofduty.com, and you can also search for login. Once you've searched, here on the first search you will have login Call of Duty. Go for the first search, click on that, and here it will take you to the login page. Or if it doesn't take you to the login page, here on the upper right you will have sign in or sign up option. You can simply choose for sign in and it will take you to the sign in page. So to sign into your account, first you need to enter your email address on the first blank, and then you need to enter your password on the next blank. So once you enter your email and your password, click on I'm not a robot and then verify. And once you verify, you can simply click on login. But if you don't want to log in with your email address, then you can choose PlayStation, Xbox, Steam, or all of these applications or all of these accounts to log in. But if you want to log in with your email, then enter your email. Or if you don't remember your password, then you can go for need help, which is on the right side, so that you can get some help while logging into your account. But if you already remember your email and password, enter that and then click on sign in. And once you click on sign in, you can skip the two-factor authentication. But if you want to set up two-factor authentication, then click on setup and then you can set up. But for now, I'll be skipping that part. And here it will take you to your account, right? So that's it. That's how you log into your Call of Duty account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.